Hey YouTube, Papa Blastoise here, and today we are going to do our daily opening. Not only are we going to open one of these blisters, not just two of them, but we're going to have our own little battle. It's going to be Mama Blastoise, myself, and Hunter's Pikachu, and we're going to see out of these three if Mystic's the best, Valor, or Instinct. At least in this pack opening. We're going to start off with Hunter's going to open the Instinct, and Mama Blastoise is going to open, I think she'll want to do Mystic, and I will suck it up and do the worst team, Valor. But hopefully Valor gives us something good, but we'll find out. So let's start off with Hunter's Pikachu, and he's going to open up the Zapdos Instinct pack. So go ahead. Alright, so there is all the stuff. We have the really cool looking Zapdos pin. We have these packs, which we got at Primal Clash, a Steam Siege, and a Breakthrough. Which one do you want to open first, Hunter?
Primal Clash.
Okay, so go ahead, and we might have to help him a little bit. Just make sure you don't bump the camera, bud. Just get back just a little bit. You remember the pack trick?
Is it 3 to the front?
3 to the front works.
Here's the code.
Yep.
1, 2, 3. And I'm hoping we get something good.
Okay, well make sure you look through here so you can see it. So we start off with the Bundle B.
Bundle B.
We got a Marshtomp.
Marshtomp. Nidoqueen.
Yep, but you gotta watch on here.
Honage.
Steel. Vulpix.
Trapinch. Horsey.
And Clamperl. And you start off with a Hollow Sceptile. So let's set that one back there. Get into your next pack here.
I'm gonna go for Steam Siege.
Okay. And just make sure you don't bump the camper, bud.
I'm not trying to.
And like always, if we pull any good ultra rares, we'll give you guys the codes.
2, 3 to the front. We got a Esmeralda.
Make sure that they can see it on camera though.
Dewott, Fletchender, Clauncher, Nidoran, Chimchar, Nosepass, Litwig, C-Dot.
Oh, check that out. Full art. We better get a sleeve for that one.
Oh gosh.
The full art, you gotta see it on camera.
There you go.
There it is. Full art Pokemon Ranger.
Do you have that one yet?
Yep, we got this one already. But it's always good to have extra because it's a playable card. So, let's get into your last pack. So that's a really good pull. Especially to pull a full art trainer card. And you can just give them that code card, bud.
Okay.
So just show it on camera. There you go.
Here's the code card.
For the ultra rare, and then do your pack trick.
1, 2, 3 to the front. We got a
First ring. Megaton.
Wobbuffet, Pancham, Meowth, Sandshrew, Swablu, Paris,
Cyndaquil Reverse, which is a playable card.
and then we got a
Cresselia.
Isn't that in the Wii U?
No, I don't know. Anyhow, next will be Mama Blastoise in 1 second here.
Alright, Mama Blastoise, open up Articuno. Such a pretty bird. Take it off camera here to open. see this pretty birdie. Put him back there.
So being on Team Mystic, we're rooting for the Mystic packs, but kind of going to be tough.
Alright, let's go Primal first. Maybe. Maxie's Hidden Ball Trick. Weakness Policy. Oops. Freshwater. Meditate. Lotad. Bunnelby. Slugma. Whoopsie, sorry. Phoebus. Ninetales Reverse. And an Asmorel. Let's go Breakthrough next. Having troubles with packs tonight, guys. 1, 2, 3. Pillow Swine. Special Energy. Braxton. Zora. Froakie. Snover. Kakina. Spritzy. Woobat. And a Typhlosion. Uh-oh.
Playable card.
Mama's not getting any love with nice shiny cards.
Well, that last one was a hollow.
Oh, it was a hollow. Sorry, guys. Oh, good gravy. Extra glue on the packs for Mama.
Mama fruit packs.
1, 2, 3. Mama's turning them all that which way? Drifloon. Fletchinger. Tanglegrowth. Drifloon. Marrow. Shellos. Mantine. Clink. Uh-oh. Pyroar. Break. And Saboyan. Cobolion.
Which is a good playable card also.
Alright, Mama will put her little break back here. And up is Papa.
Alright guys, so last is me, and so far we have 2 ultra rares and 2 hollows out of each one. So here's the code that Mama forgot to give you, but I get to open this. I'm sorry, but Moltres, you know, it's a featherless chicken that's on fire. So I'm gonna take that off camera and open it here real quick. Alright, so here we are. Dump that stuff out, and there it is. That is the 3rd pen in the set. Gosh, I don't know. So, I'm gonna open them just like everybody else has. Start with the Primal Fish. Full art Willard would be awesome. Take the code card out and do my pack trick. 3 and 2. And we start off with a Mudkip, Spheal, Shroomish, Weedle, Bumblebee, Wombre, Acrobike, which is a playable card, Masquerain, Silent Lab Reverse, which is also a playable card, and a Swampert. So nothing great off the first one. Alright, I can feel it. It's got to be in one of these. We don't want to wreck this tree. We should get 1 hollow and 1 ultra rare, I hope. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And we start off with a Spritzy, Cyndaquil, which is a playable card, Hoothoot, Mischievous, Froakie, which is seeing a lot of play right now, Reserve Ticket, Piplup, Reserve Ticket Reverse, and a Monkey. Alright. It's time to redeem ourselves. How about that full art Volcanion? Come on. I think it might be because I was making fun of how bad the chicken is. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1. Uh-oh.
Did you feel it?
Oh, I felt something textured.
Oh god.
Come on, be something good. We start off with
Better than mine.
a Krogunk, Tangela, Clink, Chultic, Ponyard, Lampent, Klefki, a Cupcake, Krogunk Reverse, and oh, I think we should cut right now. I don't think you guys want to know what... I mean, there's something back there. I don't know if you guys really want to see it though. Alright. Here we go. Should we sneak up on it? Oh!
That's the exact same thing I got! You cheated.
Guess what we're going to be doing? We're going to have a full set of Pokemon Rangers to be playing. Anyhow, if you guys enjoyed this, please leave a like and subscribe below. And stay tuned for this whole month. We're going to be trying to open stuff every single day. It won't always be pack openings. It might be an LC or a league or going over sets or something like that. But we're going to try to do daily content. So stay tuned and please leave a subscribe down there where the full art card went. Bye.